To start with, we can open the bulb. This is actually the LED light bulb, and you can see there that one that is burnt. All right, so that's what we focus on. That's actually the reason why this bulb didn't work at all anymore. So I clean it up and use the sandpaper to see that connectors. Once it's clean, you can see that it's now open because this is actually diode. So once diode is burnt, it opened the circuit and there's no connection at all. So we can remember that the connection of the light diodes are in series connection. So that's the reason why once one is not working, it opens the circuit. With the video I saw on Facebook, he uses a tin foil and just use a Scotch tape to put it in. But mine here, I just solder it so it's strong. Then that's the way I do it, and you can see here that it's already connected. So the next thing I did is to put it back, the cover, and then test it. So now I will put it into the socket. Next thing I will do is to turn it on, and we'll see. Right, here it is. So I'll turn it on now. Yep, it's working. Thank you.